Today is crazy hot. For the first time, I think this year, it's like 28, 29. Yeah. Apparently, I have an allergy that is causing me to cough up a lung constantly, and I had thought it was a cold, so I'd been trying to medicate like with over-the-counter medicine. Complete fail, but that's another tangent for another day. It's hot and we should eat. So let's make hiyashi udon-ish. I have a special recipe that I want to try, and I went out and bought the ingredients just now, so let's go make some cold udon noodles. Okay, so today went by crazy fast, and we decided to spend the evening with my mother-in-law, so we went out for dinner, which is really nice, and now we're back, and we're gonna call it an early evening, especially since I'm not feeling so well. I decided to try this special mask. It's a mask that actually has like, kind of like, I want to say wet packets inside, so basically it kind of keeps your mouth or your throat moisturized through the night. Hopefully this will make it easier to sleep tonight, so I will try and you'll see, and I'll let you know if that worked. Hello, today is Sunday, and again I woke up late. It's become a pattern, mostly because of my cough. I tried the moist mask last night, and I think it kind of worked, but obviously it wasn't enough to like completely prevent my cough. So we'll see. Still taking my medicine. I'm gonna keep using the rest of the masks, and yeah. I was craving a scone very badly, so I went out to find some, and I went to like 3 different places till I finally found one. Like the usual place didn't have it, but I finally found one, and I'm going to enjoy my raspberry scone. This is my favorite raspberry jam because it's tangy, it's tart, but it's a little sweet, and it really has a lot of raspberries in it. Sometimes it feels like the ones that I get are just like overly sweet. So this one's from Sage Oishi, but I really recommend it. I bought this like 5 times already. It's so good. Okay, as part of my Sunday organizing, I'm going to do some unboxing. So the first thing I picked up is actually a laptop stand. I've been needing one for a while because, yeah, just sitting at the table doing work from home sometimes really is straining my back, and I really wanted to pick up a good laptop stand. This one, you kind of like put the keyboard side here and it stands up like this, and it had really great reviews, and it's pretty sturdy. I didn't want one of those like flimsy fold out ones where you like cart them around. So I picked up this. My next purchase is from Zara, and they had some pieces I've been having trouble finding at non-fast fashion stores, so I bit the bullet. I really wanted this kind of like feminine neckline with like a ribbed design for a t-shirt. I also picked up a similar ribbed cardigan. Actually, I did find a couple of like non-fast fashion cardigans that I wanted, but they kept on selling out or they weren't my size. And yeah, again, I kind of use like ribbed tank tops a lot for some reason, so it was kind of no-brainer and I decided to go for it. Okay, the last one is actually home interior related. This is so cute. The stripes, like the faded stripes, was something I wanted for a while. And yeah, this looked like exactly what I was looking for, so. Let's get these bed sheets on and make the bed because we are in a dismal state right now. Alright, time for dinner. I wanted to make something kind of simple today. I'll be making Kabocha no potage, and it's quite easy. Basically, the main ingredients are onions, the kabocha itself, and some like chicken stock or bouillon or whatever you need. So you basically want the onion to be about 1/5 of the amount of the kabocha, give or take. And since I hate cutting onions and crying, I try to just really roughly cut this one because at the end you're gonna puree everything together. So super easy. Chop chop. Next I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil, or you can add butter. And then you put this on low heat and you caramelize the onions. Make sure that they don't get burnt, because if they get burnt, it's gonna ruin the entire dish. Stir, stir, stir. In the meantime, we want to get the green part of the kabocha, the peel, off. I hate this part because it's so hard. Like, hard as in like physically the skin is very hard. So it's not very cooperative in coming off. While I'm doing this, I'm kind of simultaneously stirring my onions on the side. So you also want to next cut kabocha into, I don't want to say bite-sized pieces, because basically when this starts boiling, it kind of turns into a consistency where it melts basically into the soup. So it's not very like difficult in that sense. It's getting a little bit brown, and you can see it kind of like getting a little bit more translucent, which is good. Next thing we want to do is add water just below the point where it's covering. Basically, you don't want it to completely cover the entire mixture. You want to just be a little bit less than that, because I want a thicker texture, because you're going to be adding, well, I'm going to be adding soy milk today. Normally I add normal milk, but today we're going to do a little bit more vegetarian option. So just a little bit under, like, covering. Forgot one more thing. You need to add this, some sort of bouillon or like chicken stock to the potage. So I'm gonna add that now. to cool, I figured I would test out my handy dandy new laptop stand. Yeah, it has pretty good grip and pretty strong. Yeah, I feel like I'm already sitting like in a better posture just with this. Yeah, I can use this for both editing and work as well. So, me likey. We like. This is good. It's a keeper.